Okay, thank you. I just started recording. Thank you for allowing me. I'm just gonna basically use the video, maybe if it's okay for you, to also show to two other users in case they have questions. I just can forward this video to them, and maybe then there some questions are solved. Okay. First of all, yeah, thank you for contacting us. Can I ask you where did you find us?
One of my friends in another company using Proxy and recommends you.
Yeah, that's cool. Well, always good to hear. Basically, I would just do the following. I would share my screen with you because that would be really easy.
Right.
And you could see what I'm seeing, and then I could also show you how 3G Proxy is working. And then I would, after the call, I would open a test account for you. Okay?
Okay, great.
So let me see. It's over here. Yes. Do you see my screen now?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I
okay,
see.
perfect. First thing, of course, well, when I do the demo, I should it would be good if I close like my 30 tabs. Of course, it affects the speed maybe a little bit, but I think it's still okay because we have a fast product, so it should work also with all the tabs open. So when you're on the website, I, of course, will also send you all the links, which I will show you shortly. You have access on a website, you have access to the dashboard. It's basically over here, this button. And you click on it. We have like here dashboard, and we have different opportunities how to use 3G proxy. One opportunity is through the dashboard. For example, if you, let me show you really quick, it's also basically self-explanatory. You just make a new reservation, choose a country, let's say, for example, let's say maybe Germany. Then you choose one of the SIM cards which we have over there. We have, for example, 3 operators, O2, T-Mobile, Vodafone. You just choose one. And that one is right now taken. Let's maybe take T-Mobile right now, or maybe O2. You just reserve the period of time you would like to have it, for example, for 30 minutes. Then you create the account, and then you have to wait around for 2-3 minutes. And then you can activate the proxy in the plugin, just like then click on, but I will show in a second. And then if you create it over here, then just also make sure on plugin it also works. Just click OK, and then it would be working. Okay. So this is basically one method using the dashboard, but I would recommend a much easier method. Basically, just forget about the dashboard. I would recommend using the extension. We have one extension for Chrome, one for Firefox. I mean, extension is also basically a plugin. I myself use Chrome basically, so I already installed it. I will also send you the link with where you can download the plugin. I already installed here, and you can see it's this little button over here. So basically, just click on it, and then it's also very easy. Just you choose a country, for example, new. And now we have around 50 countries at the moment. And I will give you a few countries which you can choose. I will give you for testing, and then you would have, for example, if you say you want 5 countries, then in your plugin there will be 5 countries shown which you can use. Okay, so let me check. Maybe let's say France, for example. If you would like to use a French operator, you just choose France. Then you choose SIM card. We have also all 3 major carriers. So let's say maybe Orange carrier, you also now choose it. Now you choose the duration, how many minutes you would like to reserve, maybe 60 minutes, maybe let's say maybe 20 minutes. Now you submit. Now we have to wait around 1-2 minutes. It means basically right now the SIM card in France gets activated, which takes up to 2 minutes. And at that time, you cannot click yet because it's right now light gray. But after 2 minutes, when the SIM card can be active, then it's going to be dark gray. It means in that time, you can, when it's dark gray, you can just click on it, and then you can start using this proxy directly. I could also show in the meantime, just like maybe one quick question from my side, like what is basically your use case? What would you use the proxies for? More, what is it like for?
We will use it for mobile subscription and for mobile campaigns.
Okay, yeah, that's good actually, because it is also one of the major use cases from our clients, basically testing subscriptions, and that is with us possible because when you reserve the SIM card, you will also have basically your personal inbox where you can. It's only of course open for you, and if you're testing some landing pages and you have to put in some phone numbers, and of course you put like our SIM card, which is reserved for you, and then you will receive on that number basically as you would be like using a real device, you would receive the message, like if you subscribe some service, for example, you would receive in your inbox. For example, like in this case, for example, this is Boytel, a French operator. This is here it says, yeah, your subscription was €3 per each week, and that you basically here you've proven that the service works and you subscribe to the service. Always please be careful. After subscription, it's also important that you will cancel subscription, because otherwise it will be every week, if you like just subscribe and don't cancel, that every week from the SIM card €3 will be deducted. Okay. That of course we also have to then to give invoice for clients. So please be careful that when you subscribe, also unsubscribe. Yeah. So as I said, here you can see like all the different, like in my case, I subscribed here like some it was Greece, it was Austrian service, Malaysia service. Yeah, exactly. I subscribed like a game, and then I also like unsubscribed again. What's also possible to use this plugin, you can emulate different devices. It means like you can use how it would look like your campaign, like from different browsers, from Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and so on, and also like how it would look from different mobile devices. For example, how it would look from iPhone, or also from different Android devices, or also from a tablet. Okay. And just in case, if there might be some issues, maybe some problems, if service is a bit maybe slow, internet speed is somehow not good enough, or maybe you see, oh, the SIM card doesn't have money on it, you know, and you cannot subscribe. In this case, please just always ask my support team. Our support teams, they're always happy to help. Just report the problem to them, write something down, whatever. Guys, please check if a SIM card has enough money on it, you know, because of course I have one colleague who constantly tops up all the SIM cards every day, but in some countries which are used very often, it might be that the SIM card is already empty after maybe, let's say, 10 hours, okay? And my colleague didn't see it maybe in short time, so you just write it down here and they will top up for you, okay? I also will, after the call, I will give you as well a link to our Skype support team. So basically you can either report problems if you have here, or you can directly contact them on Skype and they will be happy to help. Oh, by the way, sorry, I know I almost forgot to, to show a proxy. Now you see, now it became from light gray, it became dark gray. It means now you can click on it. Let's see, okay. Now it's on, you can see it over here, it's on, or also in the dashboard, it seems status is active. And also on the little, see this little French flag? It means right now you are on the carrier network of Orange in France. Let us check if it's true. I use usually what is my IP for checking if it's correct. Yes, it is. Location is Mulhouse, it is a French town, and you're using internet through the mobile carrier Orange. So that basically now you can start browsing all of the landing pages which you would like, as you would be for real in France located, and also of course testing all your subscriptions and everything you like. Yeah. After you're done testing, you could also close this proxy. It's also easy to just click on off again, and also cancel reservation. And that's basically, as I said, really easy to use. In case you have any questions, I will be happy to help to you. I just need one thing from you. I need, after the call, I need your email address, because that would be also your account name. So you can, after call, send me your email address, and I will open a trial account for you, so you can use it the same way as I just did. And then let's say maybe, yeah, then you call me again after we can have a talk in 4 or 5 days or so to see if you're happy, if you could use it in a good way, and then see if we can continue. Okay?
Okay, and how long is the trial account?
Yeah, I mean, we could do, yeah, we could do maybe 5 days, or maybe, you know what? Let's say today's Friday. Let's say 7 days.
Okay, good.
Okay. Okay. And can you tell me, like, what are your most important countries at the moment? Which, like,
France, Germany,
uh-huh.
Italy, and also Thailand and South Africa.
5 countries you want? Okay. Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Like,
at the moment, yes.
uh, France, Germany, Italy, South Africa, Thailand, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, cool. I will open for you, and then we will discuss next week.
Okay.
Okay? All
Thanks,
right.
Mark.
Yeah, you're welcome. If you have any questions, just let me know, and then I hope that you like our product, and then we can continue.
Okay, of course.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.